Welcome to our channel. If you want to link two-factor authentication to your Zelle account for enhanced security, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Understand that Zelle operates through your bank's app or the standalone Zelle app, so two-factor authentication is typically managed through your bank's security settings. Step 2. Open your banking app where Zelle is integrated, or open the Zelle app if you're using the standalone version. Step 3. Sign in to your account using your current credentials. Step 4. Navigate to the security settings section. This is usually found in the main menu under Settings, Security, or Profile and Settings. Step 5. Look for two-factor authentication, 2FA, multi-factor authentication, or additional security options. Step 6. Select the two-factor authentication option and choose your preferred verification method. Options typically include SMS, text messages, authentication apps, or email verification. Step 7. If selecting SMS, enter your mobile phone number. For authentication apps, scan the QR code provided using apps like Google Authenticator or Authy. Step 8. Complete the verification process by entering the code sent to your phone or generated by your authentication app. Step 9. Save your backup codes in a secure location. These codes allow account access if you lose access to your primary two-factor authentication method. Step 10. Test the two-factor authentication by logging out and signing back in to ensure the feature is working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.